Hello everyone, it's Amabel. Welcome to the How to Draw channel. Today I will show you how to draw cute and easy ice cream for kids. Let's draw and paint together. First, we're drawing a vanilla ice cream. Ice cream is very suitable to eat on hot days. Do you like ice cream? If so, let's practice drawing and coloring some simple and cute ice creams. Next, we are drawing a watermelon ice cream. Ice cream has many different types and flavors, such as vanilla ice cream, cone ice cream, chocolate ice cream, strawberry ice cream, watermelon ice cream, etc. Please comment below this video which type of ice cream you like. We are drawing another colorful popsicle. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing better. Finally, we are drawing a strawberry ice cream. I love drawing and painting so much. Please try to draw with me. Draw slowly and carefully. No need to rush, no need to be perfect, as long as you have fun. Now let's color the picture to make it more vivid.
Green.
Purple. Red.
Green.
I will paint many colors like red,
Green.
yellow, purple, green, orange, and many glitter colors for this painting.
Red.
And you? Which of these colors do you like the most?
Yellow.
Purple.
Blue.
Red.
Green.
The picture is now very beautiful, isn't it? I hope this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the How to Draw channel. See you in the next video.